Testing, testing, testing. Okay, I think my mic is working. Hello, testing. Oh, there I am. Hi, good morning, or afternoon, evening, wherever you are. We're continuing the Bobbit project. So last time we made a 3D model of this cool Bobbit with my face on it. And now I'm going to try putting it into a browser game using Three.js and React. Yeah. It has a flick it, twist it, bop it, / touch me, a pull it, and a spin it. Yeah, there's so much uncertainty. I've never done this before, like making a whole 3D game with Three.js. So we will see what happens. I've already gotten a head start of the code. I actually just copied the cube code we had from last time. So in my browser right now, the app is currently just a 3D spinning cube. So that just prevents me from doing a whole bunch of setup beforehand. The overall Three.js scene is, I guess, ready to go. Yeah. I'm trying to think about how to do this. I think I'll start by just figuring out how to... Excuse me. I think I just want to figure out how to import the model into Three.js first. And then we'll figure out how to, click detect all of these buttons. And then we'll get a timer going because games need timers, right? And then we'll start tracking game state. And then lose win conditions. I think that's a good plan for now. I'm not good with coming up with plans, but I think that's good enough. Okay, here we go then. Let's figure out how to import the 3D model into a web browser. So for context, I was trying out some Bobbit code here. This is the Bobbit 3D file, and in here I have a Bobbit version 8.glb. I've already exported this Blender model into a GLB format. So it's there in the public folder of my project's root directory. The textures actually did not export very well, especially my face over here. The background is just black. I'm thinking it's because I use nodes for this texture. I saw some tutorials where you can bake the lighting, where you get a blank image texture, you UV map everything onto the UV texture, and then you do some fancy shader stuff, and then you click render, and it renders everything that you see in the renderer onto the texture. But I don't think I want to do that because it seems pretty overkill just for missing some blacks in the background, Yeah. Anyways, let's try to get this model loaded. So right now I have a cube, right? I don't need the cube at all, so I can delete the cube over here. The cube over here can be deleted too. Is there anywhere else where I reference the cube? Don't think so. Bobbit version 8. Copy. Ha Academy says hello. Hi, hello. How you doing today? Okay, my console is not complaining. That is a good sign. I also need to import the GLB loader, which is the file format that I'm working with. So what is this called? Three.js gltf loader. I think I looked this up multiple times already. Oh, here, that's the import. I keep forgetting how the import works. There we go. And let me put that Blender page up so the window just isn't blank the entire time. Excuse me. Hey, Ha Academy, does HA stand for something? Or is it just actually Ha? Okay. Do I remember how to import 3D models? I hope so. So we need our loader object, right? Const loader is equal to new gltf loader. Cool. The web page isn't crashing yet. Next, I need to actually load the model, right? So loader.load. Maybe I'll completely collapse the screen. Loader.load. So if I recall correctly, it returns, oh, we need to input in the actual name of the model. So it's not that, but all right. My copy does not work. So I'll copy this name here, paste the name here, bopid version 8.glb. I probably don't need the actual path because it's in the public folder. Next up, it takes a function that tells it what to do on load, right? So gltf. So if everything goes well, I can do a little const gltf. Const model is equal to gltf dot scene. That should load the actual model here. And then I can add into the actual scene with scene dot add. Scene was like up here, the new Three.js scene. So into the Three.js scene we add what? The model. So this should load the model into it. Oh, there we go. You currently cannot see garbage. Can we get the camera backwards? Okay. This is a huge boppet. Okay. I want to add orbit controls. How do you add orbit controls in Three.js? Three.js orbit controls. So that's the import. I think you can just like add in the controls, right? Like this const controls is equal to new orbit controls. I think I'll put this after here, like orbit controls. And then what do I do with the controls? Control.update must be called after any manual changes to the camera's transform. Okay, controls.update. Animate. Okay, I think I set the camera's position after. So it should be fine. I mean, before I did the controls thing, so it should be fine, right? And then down here in the animate function, I need to call controls.update. Okay. So I should probably put the orbit controls up here so I can do controls.update. Controls.update. Is that going to change anything? Wow. I can rotate it. Buzztronic says, yo, I am curious. Did you try to learn Japanese before? Excuse me. Oh, my throat. I need to drink some water. Oh, excuse me. In college, I took some... Oh, what's wrong with my throat today? Hold on, let me drink some more water. Excuse me. In college, I took some Japanese classes. Actually, I took like one class. So What do I even say in Japanese? Zenzen oboemasen deshita. 日本語下手です。すごい下手です。上手じゃないです。でも、頑張ります。日本語が上手じゃありません。Buzztronic は日本人ですか? Man, what can I even... I can't believe these orbit controls work like this, by the way. You just add it in and it works. What happens if I refresh the page? Yeah. Alright. The initial position is pretty wonky, because it's like just this vertically. Very... I don't know. Very muzukashi. So I'll just leave it like this in the beginning, I guess. Or actually it should be a quick fix, right? I can always just print out the camera's coordinates and then just set it as the initial coordinates before the orbit controls come in, right? Okay. Animate. So I can just take console.log chat camera position. No, I'm Algerian. I just started learning the language when I realized that it is fun for me. Oh ho, this month. Hey, good luck on that. Just starting to learn a language is very hard. Very muzukashi. What have you learned so far? Like what can you say? Or what words have you learned? I already forgot everything from college. It's been a while. このマグカップは私のマグカップ. Oh, it also kind of helps that they use a lot of loan words from English, right? So this mug is just mug cup. Maiku. このマイクは大きいです. Not much. I learned kana and I'm using Anki to learn some words and kanji. Oh, what the heck is Anki? I never heard of Anki before. Kana... Oh, the website Anki. Yeah, it's a website. Yeah, they say Japanese writing system is kind of difficult to learn because there's 3 of them, basically. 1 that you spell out, well, 2 that you spell out, and then 1 with the kanji. I'm focusing on listening and learning words, the last thing I care about speaking. Oh my gosh, same. When I was learning Japanese, I wanted to... Yeah, I basically just wanted to watch anime without subtitles. I didn't care about speaking with anyone. Camera.position, is this what you do? Oh, okay. Nice. I can just scroll up to any one of these positions, right? Oh wait, it's camera.rotation too. I want to set its initial position and rotation. Rotation. Camera.rotation. There, that's a good initial rotation, right? Though it's never gonna stop scrolling. Anki is a flashcard app. SRS space repetition software. Oh, I definitely have a friend who uses that too. I think that's how I know about it. Okay. Okay, so let's set this as the initial position and rotation then. Do you think that Anki works? I never actually used it before. I just have one friend who's pretty religious about it. So camera position is set here. Can I just copy this copy object? Is it gonna copy very prettily in here? No, it's not, so. Well, yeah, how do I set position here? I know I can do position.x and .y.z. Can I do a position equals something? Oh wait, I can do position.set, right? Set. And then I can copy all these values in. Suckers. And I'm gonna copy this in. I don't need all the values, I think. Doesn't have to be too accurate. Buzztronic says I do think so, but don't take my word for it because I only started recently. Check Matt versus Japan or Live a Kiwi. Are those also apps or YouTube channels? Okay, and the rotation is here. I'm gonna copy this object too up here. Okay, so the camera.position.rotate. Ooh, oh, YouTube channels, I see. By the way, Buzztronic, why are you learning Japanese? Is it to talk to Japanese people, watch anime? I was learning Japanese to watch anime, even though I don't watch that much right now. Kinda grown out of it. I was watching One Piece recently though. I stopped on the part where Luffy and the team were trying to save his bro. I kind of lost interest by then, but apparently that was supposed to be the hype part. That was supposed to be like the Avengers part, where everything assembles. Looks like I have one error somewhere. Maybe I should start watching One Piece again, because it's allegedly supposed to get good. Great, I feel like I have one error somehow. Should I just stop printing these things so I can actually see the error? The bobbit disappearing from sight is definitely not good. Oh, here, camera.position.rotation is not a function. Oh, yeah. Totally. There we go. I'm a genius. Okay, perfect. There. Our bobbit is here, and we can play with it. Heck yes. I'm replacing gaming with learning Japanese, replacing something fun with something fun but also valuable. Ooh, that is smart. Very smart. I have lots of respect for that. Ooh, why did you choose learning Japanese though? You could have learned any other language. Oh, wait, did you say you were from Algeria? I'm really bad at geography. I don't think Algeria is anywhere near Japan, is it? Algeria to Japan. Google Maps. It takes a day plus. Ooh. But yeah, why Japanese in particular? Is it the anime influence? I liked how the language sounds because I used to watch some anime. Ooh, me too. The language sounds very pretty, right? I think they have the rule that every syllable has to be the exact same length or something, which makes it sound very consistent and steady, I guess. And also, they don't really have any jarring sounding syllables. You know how English has R sounds like R, and they enunciate words in a kind of a disgusting way sometimes. Rat, ribbon, barricade. In Japan, it's like pretty. Yeah, the tone that they speak in, and the what do you call it? The cadence is very pretty too, I think. Okay, cool. We have a good initial position of our poppet. I want to do some click detection now. Click detection, so when I actually click on stuff, it actually registers. I can't believe orbit controls is this easy. You just put in controls and it works. It's really nice. Okay. How to do quick detection again? I already forgot. Three.js. There's the path tracer, I think. Path tracer, what's it called? Not path tracer. Path tracer is a ray tracer. Ray tracer. Raycaster. Okay. Completely forgot this. Okay. How does raycasting work again? It goes in the animate function, right? We need to fire this off every time. We definitely need a raycaster object and a constant pointer that represents where our mouse is. Okay, this code is getting kind of messy. Maybe I should do some abstraction near the end though. Pointer move, that will be triggered later. Render. So every time we render, we shoot off this beam. That's a common theme in anime. Raycaster beam. Okay. Maybe I should put this into its own function, no? Or maybe I should do that later. Abstraction is a waste of time if the code doesn't actually work. So this is the part where I shoot off the beam. Renderer.render. Yep, that's over here, so I'll just plop this code on top of here. This is all the rendering object. Excuse me, rendering logic. Anshika says hello. Hello, Anshika. How are you doing? 3 is not defined because it's lowercase for me. Anshika, what's up? I have a bop it. Did everything just intersect? Dot intersect objects. Dang. Good, what are you coding? I'm coding a bop it in a browser. A 3D bop it game in a browser. I want to be able to play bop it. And also I think it'll be funny. I'm using React, which is like a, what do you call this, a website building framework, and also Three.js. It's basically JavaScript. I'm using JavaScript. Thank you. Look, you can do a 360 with this thing. Wow. I think it's pretty cool. I made this in Blender. So it is already all these animations in it. You can pull it, you can spin it, you can bop it, you can twist it, you can flick it. So I'm trying to get it to import into a web browser, and I want to be able to quick detect whenever I click on these things, and it will trigger it. But I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm still feeling things out. Raycaster.intersect objects. Like, for example, the raycaster is getting everything so far. On pointer move. How I decided, Buzztronic says, how I decided to learn Japanese, a little bit long story. Not quite long, but it requires a big block of text to write. Yes, go ahead. In summary, one day I decided to look on ways to improve my English, and I knew that vocab is my weak spot. Hold on, it's scrolling past. I need to copy down this comment to read it. Okay, improve my English, and I know that vocab is my weak spot. Then I remember that I have a YouTuber I follow, Liva Kiwi. He used Anki to learn Japanese vocab, so I checked his videos, and you can imagine the rabbit hole I followed from there. Replacer. Idiot Coder says, if you are using React N3, why aren't you using React Fiber? Oh, that's a good question. because I'm still really new to Three.js. I want to like be comfortable with it before I move on to React Fiber. Yeah, I've seen like 1 or 2 videos on React Fiber. It does look really convenient, right? It comes in like really convenient components that you can just plop into the app. Bostronic says, do you play games? Not much games on this channel actually. I used to play a whole bunch of Phasmophobia and Sky, Children of the Light. Yeah. Pointer move. Oh, you know, I think I know what's going on. Why everything is turning red. So, my guess is the pointer here is always just 0, 0, 0, right? So it's like I think I have to update my mouse position basically. Window.add event listener. This should go in my use effect somewhere. Oh, this code is getting messy. Okay. So we should add window.add event listener. Where do I add it though, for organization's sake? I'll add it here. Let's do all my events here. So this is for every time I move my pointer, we'll call on pointer move. We also need to do some cleanup, right? So window.remove event listener. Pointer move on pointer move. I think that works, right? You can do it, I believe in you, Slay. Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you. And then I should just copy in pointer on move, shouldn't I? On pointer move. Okay, let's refresh this. And everything is still red. Fantastic. Why? Why is everything red? Is it just in the beginning? If it's just in the beginning, we have less of a problem. Artzer says hi. Hi. What's up? Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print out everything that the ray tracer is hitting. If it's just hitting everything in the beginning, then we have less of a problem. Yeah. Okay, where do I print this out? I'm already so confused. Animate? Animate function. Intersects.length. Oh, I should put it here. So console.log get intersects. Okay. You know what? This isn't so bad. Totally not coping right now. What am I even hitting here? I'm hitting an object called twisted. Okay, you know what? This is not bad. Why is it hitting so much stuff in the beginning though? It doesn't make sense to me. Buzztronic says, before I leave, I just wanted to share this thing that I believe is a treasure. It is mass immersion approach to learning languages and AJATT, so you guys have a good night. What? Mass immersion approach to learning languages and AJATT. Focusing, oh, okay. You just really immerse yourself in the language by content or actually talking to people. AJATT. All Japanese all the time. I see. Learn 15 to 30 words a day using sentences. Cool. Thanks for the advice. Okay. Okay, I think this is fine actually. We're only going to... I think it's fine that it initially selects everything. We're only going to... We only need this when the mouse actually clicks, right? Yeah. My events here, pointer move. I should change it to a pointer click. I want to do click detection. So ChatGPT, help me please. So if I want to do click, do I do pointer click? If I want to do click, do I do pointer click instead? Is that the event name? Oh, you just used click. Okay. That is good. Very good. So this becomes click, click, and I want to rename this to on click. Okay. It's still intersecting everything for some reason. I have no idea why. Can I just not... Why is it clicking on everything in the beginning? Makes no sense. Is it because... Yeah, I have no clue. This is all from a on click, no? I'm doing on click now, so... Oh wait, hold on. Raycaster.set from camera. I should only do this raycast on click, right? It's kind of a waste to do it every frame. So I should move this. Okay. Maybe that's the issue. I still don't know why it's doing this for every object in the beginning though. So only on click do we do the raycaster.set from camera. Dang, it's still intersecting everything. Why is it doing that? Because I didn't save? Oh, there we go. That's kind of interesting. Huh. Why is it making all this red? Its click detection is awful. Why? Oh, is it because I'm not updating the pointer before I do my first click detection? That could be it. Okay, that's slightly better. Why is it getting every single thing here though? Oh. Okay, you know what? That kind of makes sense, I think. I think the ray caster is... The beam of light is going through the button and then through the body. But at least it's not getting this thing and this thing, this thing. Yeah, okay. You know what? I think we're good. It's fine if we detect... Yeah, it's fine if we detect... If we detect the body when we click. We just have to filter it out when we click. So everything's still good. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Look, I can click on stuff in the Bobbit now. Nice. I want to have a thing that actually prints out what I click on. Can I add a h1 over here? Return div. Oh. Huh. Why is it... Do I need parentheses around this thing? Because it's not detecting the div anymore. Hello, React? Okay, there we go. We're back. I want to return like a h1 on the top. How do I do that? Can I do this perhaps? Wrap it in invisible divs. That. And then up here I'll do a h1. That's just some random stuff here like test. Hello? Oh, I don't know what happened. Okay, there's my text. I want the... Ooh, okay, here's another challenge. So this current test is squashing the thing down, the 3D scene. So it's affecting the click too. I have to click like up here for this thing to register. Very interesting. I need to somehow format the scene so that it doesn't squash down when things are added. I think I have an idea of how to do this. app.css. The root. Is it the root here? It's probably the root thing. Ref world. MG John says, hiya. Hello, MG John. How you doing? I'm making a bop it. I'm trying to figure out how to make this scene like absolute placement. And I'm really bad at CSS. Oh, good. How are you doing? I'm doing good too. I like this project. It's fun. Okay. ChatGPT, help me out, please. CSS. How to style object so that it has absolute placement and oh, I'm trying to place. Oh, it's kind of hard to tell now. Let me do something here. Renderer alpha is, let's do alpha equal false. Cool. So right now there's two sort of HTML elements. One is the h1, one is the div. I'm trying to make this div have, you know what absolute placement is? I don't know what it's called exactly, but I want this to fill up the entire screen in the background. Like for it to ignore all... I don't want it to be squashed down by this test h1, you know? I want it to fill up the entire background. Yeah, that's literally it. Position relative. Ooh, position relative to the parent position, absolute to the item. You want to stick to the parent. Ooh, God help. Isn't there some wait, isn't there a way to do this in like just styling one thing? I remember you can I remember there's a way to do this without having to find a parent and the children. No? 100% top? Oh, kind of like this, right? If you don't define position relative, then it will just attach to the base of the page. Wait, the base of the page. So So like the whole page. Then it would just attach to the base of the page. You mean if you don't define position relative to the parent position? Wait, position relative is for the parent position. Wait, I don't get it. What does it mean to attach to the base of the page? Isn't that kind of what I want? The root, the div here. Okay. Whereas if you had done position relative on a div and placed an item inside it with position absolute, then the absolute would have sticked to the div or element that is relative. I am so confused. Okay, so you're saying the parent div, relative, the child div, absolute. Wait, why do I recall doing a method where you only had to set the child as absolute, like ChatGPT is saying over here, and then everything else will be in front. So, wait, yeah, let me just ask ChatGPT, what happens if I set the parent to relative, like you're saying? Is there a difference? It changes what the child is absolute relative to. It looks for the closest ancestor that is position relative, absolute, or fixed. If it can't find one, it positions itself relative to the body or the whole page. Oh. I see. That's like the anchor, right? So, okay. Oh. Relative to the parent box, not the page anymore. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't need the parent. I wanted to position it relative to the entire page. Yeah, I see. So if the parent is like on the, say, for example, bottom right of the screen, its center will be relative to that, huh? Got you. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I need parent in this case. I wanted to take up the entire screen regardless of what's going on. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add some class here. How do you add a class? Class name is equal to world? Sure, world. Is this how you add classes? Oh no, my CS is so bad. CS or React, go to add class, CSS class name to component. Class name is equal to, okay, I got it right. And then to style class name, you do something like .world. And then we can copy this whole shtick here. So absolute positions it absolute through the whole page. I think we just need the top and left thing. That should be good. Hello? Oh, wait. It's wrong. Gotta remove the .ur element. Yes. World. Uh-oh. Where the heck did it go? Oh, it's here. Is it because I need to set it to 0%? 0% from the left, 0% from the top? Oh, there we go. It takes up the entire page. I might need to put it back in the Z position, right? So the text appears on top. Or is it because the text is already black so we can't see it? Eh. Let's set alpha equal to true again. Now if you want that to be centered, you would need to do something like left 50%, top 50%. Ooh. What if I put the H1 over here? Oh. Oh. The test is rendering on the bottom, isn't it? Okay, I need to push back my... How to push back component in the Z-stack thing. I recall that's a thing. Z-index, thank you, MG John. Wow. Z-index. What values can I even put here? Like, -1? -1 to push all the way back. Oh. Oh. There's the test. You are free to give it whatever. Oh, okay, we can see the text here now. The text itself is like smack in the center. I want it to be higher. Now you could give it a class to your text and with absolute position it to a place you want. That is true. Wow. Absolute positioning is very convenient sometimes. What do we say here? What do we call it? Text. Nice. Gonna copy this. Text. The left will be 50%. Top will be 10% from the top. Now leave it at 1, maybe. Ooh. What if I just omit 50%? Yeah, that's fine. You can make those pixels if you want. Oh. I think percentage is more intuitive for me. Okay. We good, boys. Oh. This is cool. Okay. I want a way to set the text somehow when I click on one of these Bop It components. Like, for example... And wait, I cannot rotate this whole thing anymore. Oh, is it because the test is in front? That is not good. Probably because Z-index. Yeah, oh no. What do I do about this? Can I make the test smaller, perhaps? Is there a way to reduce the boundaries of test? Like, how much space is even test taking up? Wait, it's only that. That's really small. The world is this big. Maybe make the test on z-index 1 and place the game on z-index 0? Oh, okay. Let me try that. 0, 1. Whoa! Wait, how'd you know that that was the solution? I would never have. What? Why doesn't z-index -1 work? The world is -1. What? How did you know that that would work? So smart, man. That's crazy. Okay. Wow. I'm guessing pretty hard right now. I'm not a React or game developer. You've never used React before? Or not React specific? Dang, bro. I'm pretty new to React too. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm Angular developer. Oh, professional Angular developer. That's pretty sick. Okay, I want to update test every time I click on a Bobbit component now. So if I click on twist it, it'll say twist it. If I spin it, it will spin it. I think I need a reference to this test too, so I can actually, you know, reference it from the components here and then to use it. Also, I know my code is really messy right now. I know very well. But I think I'll clean it up towards the end. Use state to a text, so when you click on something, you can update the state. Oh wait, is it use ref or use state? You might be right that we want to use state because I actually want stuff to update when the state updates. That is true. Okay. So down here, I will do a ref is equal to test text. And then towards the top here, I'll get a reference, set up the reference, test text is equal to use ref null, and then I'll have a state called the const text set text is equal to use, I cannot type, use state, and what will the default string be? Test, yay. And then down here in the actual text in H1, I'll do test text. And we got some errors, yay. Objects are now valid as a React child. Keys, use array instead. Where is this? Uncaught objects are now valid as a React child. What? Oh, occurred inside the H1 component. Okay, that's a good clue. Test text. Oh. I got the wrong reference. Wrong name. Yay. Cool. Fantastic. Thank you. Wow, MG John, you're so nice. Now update it on click. Yep. Okay. Yeah, so here, when I click, here are my objects, right? It's just turning in red so far. So what is it here? We have an object. We have the name called twisted. Ooh, okay. Should I just get the first one? What's the second one that it intersects? Object. Name is still twisted. So it gets it twice apparently. Okay, so getting the first one should be good. Intersects console.log. So I get the intersects object dot. Oh, it's a list, so I can do dot notation like the 0th element dot name. That should be sufficient, right? Undefined. Oh. Intersects 0. Really? It's a object, no? Oh, dot object dot name. Dot object dot name. Hey, twist it. Cannot read properties of undefined. Oh, pop it, pull it, spin it. Hey, we got it, boys. Nice. Okay, so the undefined thing, this should only activate if our intersects dot length is greater than 0, right? That should solve our problem with the undefined. Nice. Click it, pop it, pull it. Yay! Hey! Ho ho! Ho ho! On second thought, we don't need a reference to the div, right? Completely useless to us. Fun trick, you don't have to say greater than 0 since .length will always be true. Since .length will always be true if it's not 0. Oh! Ho ho! So if intersects .length, oh! Oh, wait. Is .length just undefined if it's empty? Oh wait, .length is 0 if it's, and 0 is a truthy value. Sorry. .length will return false if there's, no. .length will return 0 if there's nothing in it, and 0 is a falsy value. Oh, I see it. Thanks, MD John. Okay. And then set text, we'll set it to literally this. Set text is not defined at app. This thing. Twist it. Oh, flick it. You can bop it. You can pull it. You can spin it. Oh, let's go. Ah. Is it gonna say body? Yeah, it's gonna say body. That's fine. Yay. Whoa. I am a genius. Body. Pull it. Twist it. Flick it. Spin it. That's the body. Bob it. Hey, let's go. That's awesome. It feels like such a big accomplishment even though it isn't. Yeah. Oh, I want the animations to play when I click on it. It's a big accomplishment to underplay your work. Man, you're so nice, MD John. Thank you. Wow, I like it. I want the animations to play. Oh, I don't think you were here for MG John, but I made a bunch of animations baked into the model so I can try to play them when stuff happens. Okay. Always, we all struggle with programming. It's always nice to be appreciated for the work we do. Hey, thank you. Man, you would make a really nice boss in the future. So nice. Okay. I need to set up all the animations. I've seen people like loop through the object when it's loaded and then save all the animations in like a dictionary. I think I'll try that too so I can access it from anywhere. I think they used a use reference up here so that it would not change. Like its value persists through renders. Okay. Constant animations is equal to, can't help you with that, that's very foreign to me. Is equal to use ref. Should we call this a empty map? Like, is this how you make maps in JavaScript? JavaScript empty dictionary. Okay, I got it. Empty dictionary. Cool. So now when we load the scene, we want to load all of our animations into the dictionary. And I should print out what my loaded model contains. So console.log gltf. This is the place for loading the 3D file into it. Okay, it's here. So these are my animations. There's 7 right now. Body, bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it, flick it. Okay. There's a lot of animations I don't want in there too. I don't know why, but when you export GLB files from Blender, it does a bunch of, like, even for objects that don't have animations, it renders a animation for it. Actually, it doesn't hurt to store those animations. There's not a lot anyways, so. Okay, let's save our animations down here. So we want to do gltf.animations.forEach. Can I insert like a function here maybe? So for every single animation, I'll just print it out first. Let's make sure I even got this for each loop right. Console.log. Let's call this animation. Console.log animation dot name. gltf.animations.forEach is not a function. How do you do a for each loop? Scene. Did I even get it right? gltf dot animations is it's dot animations, right? That's an array. Okay, ChatGPT, help me please. JavaScript, how to type it with for each. Oh, there we go. Body, bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it. Hey, I love for each loops in JavaScript. Dot for each is still more convenient than writing a for loop, I think. Okay, so in our animations, which is up here, animations, we'll call this animation.name is equal to animation. These are some confusing ass names. Should I name this something better, like F2 animation map? Animation map. So we map the animation name to the animation. I want to convert the animation into a playable thing. Also, there should be a dot current, right? Because it's a reference. Okay, looks like it's working. Can I print out what the current anim map contains? Console.log chat anim map This is the current. Okay, we good boys. Body is mapped to body, bobbit is mapped to bobbit. Very cool. Nice. Okay, to actually play our animations, we need a animation mixer object. So const or let mixer, just so we can reference it later. Let's set up our animation mixer here. So mixer is equal to new 3.animation mixer a put in the model there, so that's what we animate. So when we store the animations, we should convert it to a playable clip first. So we should do mixer.clip action. I think that's how it works. Yeah, clip action. We put this animation in and then we store it. Is it working? I think it's working. Current body. Yeah, cool. It's a animation action now. Very cool. Can I try just printing something playing an animation? So I can you can clear the logs on page refresh if you want. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I want to try playing a random animation on load. Can we perhaps do mixer dot, or we can do anim map. Let's play the bobbit animation. It's called bobbit, right? Bobbit dot current bobbit dot play. Oh, I think we need to update. We need to tell the mixer how to update the animations per frame too. So we need a const clock is equal to 3.clock. And then down here we'll do if the mixer exists, then mixer dot update clock dot get delta. Hello, clock dot get delta. Is this actually a thing? I forgot how clocks work in Three.js. Three.js clock. Start time, old time, get elapsed time, get delta. Oh, I was right. Okay. Oh. And it broke. Hooray. An error occurred in the app component. Clock cannot be invoked without new. Oh. New 3.clock. Hello? You gonna play anything? Why is nothing playing? Bobbit.play. No, it's not playing. Mixer.update clock.get delta. Should I play the animation only on the click? For some reason, I don't know why. Bobbit.play is not playing. Maybe place to play on click? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Okay, let's place this on click. Okay, so here we'll insert okay, let's put out the object name here. So I guess button is equal to this. I should also do some validation in the future that the button click is actually a valid string. So set text equal to the button, and also button.play. Cannot read properties of undefined reading play. The animation map here, current, those names should be right, twisted. Oh, I know what's wrong. We input this into the wrong place. This should be in the animation place. Animate. Oh my goodness. I had a huge brain fart. The clock should be up here. This should be in the animate function. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! It played! It's not stopping though, but it played! Let's go! Oh. I am a genius! Man, look at it go. Spin is not playing, but hey. Is it because it's called something else? Spin it. Twist it. Oh well, this is pretty good anyways. I just got a message from Google. They were asking for your CV. Yeah, Google, hire me. I got a 3D bop it. Let's go! They want the license for your Bop It project. Oh, this is so awesome. Can we get Spin It to work? Spin It. Was Spin It ever working? Spin It. So it's trying to read play. Spin It. Cannot read properties of undefined reading play. At onClick, line 85. 85. Really, it's called play? Can I? Okay, this is the intersection, right? So 0, this object. The name is called and spin it. Why is it getting play? Basically, the spin it object doesn't exist. Wait, there's a... Is there actually a space? No, there's not. Okay. Spin it. Reading play. Okay. What does the map contain? The animation map? Current. Spin it versus spin it. I am so confused. Copy object. Hold on, let's actually put out what it's called. There's a T between N and I. Oh my god, there is? Oh, I am like dyslexic or something. I did not see that. Spint it. Wow, really? That's how I named it in Blender. Really? I actually called it spint it. You can see it in your text above. No. Why did I call it spint it? Okay, I'll just rename it and then export it again. File, export, gltf. Where do I export it again? Documents. Where the heck is the Blender folder? Oh, Blender folder. Three.js exports. Should select these. Hi, Blender. Face blue smiling. Oh, hi, Deepak. Hello. How you doing? So this should only include the selected objects and everything else should be good, I think. Wait, I just recall. There's other names I have to change in here, right? So, in the animation tab. Oh no, it autos. No, I think it auto updated for me. Okay. Minutes, so this should be good now, I think. Yeah, okay, we're good now. Layout, modeling. We'll select these. I'll do File, Export, GLTF, Blender Bop It. Not in the Blender folder. Blender, Three.js, exports. I didn't know you used Blender. I thought you were a tech guy. Oh, I used to be in sort of an animation club in high school, so I know a bit of Blender. Okay, so instead of Bop It version 8, we'll do version 9. Let's go. And then we'll only include these selected objects. I think that's all we need to do. Export. Yeah. Okay, so over here. Do I have any quick access files? Nope. Okay. Blender, Three.js. Exports. Bop It version 9. Cool. So all we need to do, hopefully, is instead of Bop It version 8, version 9. Oh, that sucked. I forgot to smooth everything. But hey, spin it works, bop it works, flick it works, twist it works, pull it works. Yay. Yeah, my mistake was export GLTF. Too easy. Thank you. I needed to apply all transformations or all modifiers. Where do I do that? Mesh? Apply modifiers, yeah. I had some smoothing operations that were modifiers. So, version 9 and version 10. Baby. Okay. Hopefully version 10 will do the trick. Blender, Three.js, exports, Bop It version 10. Drag it here. Okay, version 10. Please, work. Oh! You can twist it, you can flick it, you can bop it, you can pull it, and you can spin it. Oh! Yeah! Oh. I'm getting way too happy from this. Is there a way for it to not loop the animation? Otherwise, it's pretty good right now. Three.js play animation. How to not loop animation. Loop mode. Oh. Action.set loop. Oh. Loop once. That's good. That's exactly what I want. Yeah. Okay, so when we play the animation on clip, right before we do that, or I should store the animation at constant. The actual animation is equal to animation map dot current dot button, and then the actual. Actually, I could just set it in when I make the map, can I? So I can just say play. Okay, when I save the animations here, and my music just stopped because my wireless earbuds went out of battery. Can I try reconnecting them? There we go. Okay, so when I save the animations, I can do const the actual animation that's playable is equal to mixer.clip action, like so. And then I'll set the animation name to the animation like this. Let me make sure it still works. Very nice. And then before I actually put into the map, I can do animation dot, what did ChatGPT say? Set loop 3.loop once. Three is not defined. Oh, it's lowercase 3. Oh my gosh, it's working. Oh wait, you can only say it. You can only touch it once for some reason. Okay, what's going on, Three.js? Set it to not loop. Stop at the last frame. And stop keeps the animation on the last frame when it's finished instead of snapping back to the front. I want the animation to be replayable. Looks like... Oh wait. It's because we finished the animation, right? And it doesn't loop. How to restart the animation from the front, unclick, but no loop. Yeah, reset. Action.reset. Okay, so we do need to do some stuff here still. Const animation is equal to anim map.current button. I suck at typing. And we can do anim.reset, and then we can do anim.play. It worked! It worked, let's go! I can click the buttons whenever I want now. Let's go! Wow, I feel like a genius. This is very fulfilling. Very strangely fulfilling. Yeah. Heck yes. Oh. I wonder what if you full screen it. Well, oh yeah, I can full screen it. Behold, the bop it. Flick it, twist it. Bop it. Flick it. Spin it. Pull it. Bop it. The body does nothing. Pull it. Oh great, it still follows the click positions. Great job. Yeah, let's go. Woo. Body. Touch me. Twist it. Click it. Okay. That's awesome. My phone, well, I think now's the perfect time to stop. My phone is at 3% battery. It cannot go on much longer. And also, we're at a really good checkpoint. I think I'll do the game logic next time. Yeah. This has been pretty nice. Yeah. Okay. I'm happy. Thanks to everyone for coming. Thanks MG John for the tech help. Thank you everyone else who came. I appreciate. Till next time then, we'll code the game logic next time. Great meeting you. Wish you best for the future of the V1 Boppet software final V10. Thank you. Was nice meeting you too. See y'all next week. I stream Saturday mornings. Bye.